Hello and welcome to the short video overview of alerts for application credential actions. API Manager can generate alerts when specific events occur. For example, it can generate an alert when an organization is created or deleted, or when access is granted to an API. When an alert is generated by API Manager, you can execute a custom policy to handle the alert. For example, to send an email to an interested party or to forward the alert to an external notification system. Sample policies are provided as a starting point for custom development. Alert message properties are documented in our API Management User Guide. These properties can be used in custom policies. The message properties themselves are categorized per application credential type, as well as the action itself. You can enable or disable alerts in the API Manager web interface. You can change the policy that is executed when an alert is generated in Policy Studio. You can use application credential alerts when you want to trigger alerts for any change to the credential, API keys, OAuth credentials, or external credentials associated with an application. Application credentials alerts are fully configurable. Policy developers can write policies that will be invoked when application credentials are created, updated, deleted, enabled, or disabled. API administrators can enable or disable alerts for application credentials so that the configured policies get executed when the specified events are triggered. If we look at the API Manager UI, we go to Settings, Alerts, and you can see that by default all the alerts are actually toggled off. We have the new section here for application credentials for all the actions: create, update, delete, enable, and disable. We'll just have a quick look at the policies in Policy Studio. In Policy Studio, expand Sample Policies, API Management Alerts, and Application Credentials. Here you will find the actual policies that will be invoked if the alerts are enabled in API Manager. Under Server Settings, API Manager, and Alerts, you will actually have the hooks into the policies themselves, meaning that you will have full control over the customization of the policies and which policies needs to be called for the specific actions for application credentials. This concludes the short little video overview of alerts for client application credentials in API Manager. Thank you for watching.